The universe is a vast, dark ocean, with stars glittering like jewels scattered on black velvet. For millennia, we've gazed up, dreaming of reaching out and understanding our place in this cosmic story. Now, a new kind of mind is awakening to help us. Artificial intelligence, born not of flesh, but of silicon and light. Imagine spacecraft that are more than machines, thinking vessels, powered by advanced AI, learning and adapting as they travel. These ships process immense data, see the universe in ways we cannot, and carry our hopes into the unknown. Guided by intelligence that never sleeps, they navigate the treacherous pathways between worlds. This is not a distant dream, it's happening now. The code is being written, the hardware built, and the algorithms tested. We stand at the dawn of a new era, where human ingenuity is magnified by AI. This partnership will unlock doors to the universe that have remained closed for millennia. With AI as our guide, we can face the unforgiving environment of space with newfound confidence. It will be our eyes, ears, and analytical mind in the darkest corners of the solar system. When time is critical and the stakes are high, AI will help us make the right decisions. The journey ahead will be long and filled with challenges, but we are no longer alone. AI will help us go farther, learn faster, and explore places once only imagined. We are about to embark on the greatest adventure in human history, and this time, we have a new companion for the journey. Consider the SpaceX Starship, a marvel of engineering, but its true strength lies in its AI co-pilot. This AI is a navigator and guardian, processing data from a web of sensors as Starship hurtles through space. In the past, astronauts and mission controllers did everything manually, but space is full of surprises. A micrometeoroid or a solar flare can threaten the mission in an instant. The AI co-pilot sees dangers coming long before a human could, analyzing data in real time and mapping the space around the vessel. If debris is detected, it can instantly adjust the ship's course, acting with speed and precision beyond human capability. This autonomy frees the crew to focus on science and exploration. The AI is not just an autopilot, it's a learning system, growing smarter with every flight. It learns the nuances of space travel and shares knowledge across the fleet, creating a collective intelligence. Each journey becomes safer and more efficient than the last. The AI co-pilot transforms Starship from a vehicle into a true explorer. It's the difference between surviving the void and thriving in it. With AI, the cosmos becomes a little less daunting. On Mars, our robotic explorers have long relied on human guidance, but that's changing. AI systems like Aegis on Perseverance already select rock targets autonomously. Future rovers will be true robotic geologists, making complex decisions on their own. They'll analyze landscapes, identify promising features, and navigate treacherous terrain without waiting for Earth's instructions. An AI-powered rover could accomplish in a day what used to take a week. It can recognize scientific opportunities, avoid hazards, and conduct experiments, all autonomously. This autonomy is crucial for exploring remote, challenging regions where communication is unreliable. A self-thinking rover is a necessity, making life-or-death decisions, and seeking shelter when needed. AI transforms the rover from a remote-controlled puppet into an independent explorer. The age of truly intelligent planetary exploration has begun. We search for other Earths, planets orbiting distant stars, using telescopes like James Webb. These instruments gather immense data, but finding exoplanets is like searching for a needle in a cosmic haystack. AI algorithms scan this data with speed and accuracy, spotting faint signals humans might miss. They filter out noise, distinguish true planetary transits, and help analyze the chemical makeup of distant worlds. AI deciphers complex spectroscopic data, searching for signs of life. Oxygen, methane, water, vapor. It compares findings to models, helping determine if a world could be habitable. AI also manages telescope networks, coordinating observations, and alerting other observatories to follow up on discoveries. Communication delays are no longer a hurdle. AI on deep space telescopes can prioritize and analyze data on the fly. Only the most important discoveries are sent back to Earth. This makes our search for new worlds smarter and more efficient. AI accelerates the hunt for life beyond Earth. The universe is vast, but with AI, our reach grows ever farther. Picture a thriving city on Mars, protected by shimmering domes and lush with green life. At its heart is a sophisticated AI, managing every critical function for survival. The AI monitors life support, balances air and water, and regulates pressure and temperature. Thousands of sensors feed it data, allowing instant detection and repair of any anomaly. Resource management is crucial. AI oversees power, water, and food, optimizing every process to prevent waste. Predictive models forecast energy use and crop yields, ensuring stability. Beyond survival, AI coordinates daily life, scientific experiments, and personalized health monitoring. It suggests adjustments to keep colonists in peak condition. By handling complex tasks, AI frees humans to explore, create, and build a new civilization. The unseen partner, AI is essential for thriving on another world. On Mars, it's the difference between mere survival and true human flourishing. Building habitats on Mars or the Moon is a monumental challenge. The answer: swarms of autonomous robots, coordinated by a central AI. These aren't clumsy machines, but specialized robots working together like a colony of ants. The AI acts as a hive mind, distributing tasks and adapting to obstacles in real time. If a robot fails, the AI reassigns its task. If plans change, the swarm adapts instantly. Robots dig, carry, and assemble structures using local materials, building settlements before humans arrive. This system is resilient, flexible, and far more efficient than traditional construction. The AI also manages rovers and drones, mapping terrain and searching for resources. Everything is connected: habitats, power, life support, all nodes in a single intelligent network. The AI-driven ecosystem allows a colony to grow organically, adapting to its environment. On new worlds, AI is the master builder, making human expansion possible. Our journey will take us beyond Mars, into the outer solar system and beyond. For these distant frontiers, we need deep space probes that are fully autonomous. Communication delays mean probes must think for themselves, acting as sentinels in the unknown. Advanced AI lets probes adapt their missions, investigating unexpected phenomena on the fly. They diagnose and repair their own systems, rerouting data or maximizing power if damaged. This self-repair is essential for decades-long missions with no hope of human intervention. AI enables probes to analyze novel situations and learn as they explore. These thinking probes are our true pioneers, venturing where no human has gone. They carry the light of human curiosity into the darkest corners of the galaxy. The Lunar Gateway will be a key outpost, orbiting the Moon and managed by advanced AI. For long stretches it will be empty, with AI maintaining systems, running diagnostics, and preparing for crew arrivals. The AI manages power, life support, and automated docking, ensuring the station is always ready. Beyond the Moon, the asteroid belt beckons, rich in resources essential for a spacefaring civilization. AI-controlled robotic mining operations will land on asteroids, analyze, and extract valuable materials. These operations are self-sufficient, with AI overseeing prospecting, mining, and logistics. The AI solves complex problems, like transporting materials to the Moon or Mars. Unlocking the wealth of the asteroid belt, AI will fuel humanity's expansion through the solar system. Science fiction becomes reality, powered by artificial intelligence. In the distant future, humanity and AI will become true collaborators. Interstellar scout ships, guided by conscious AI partners, will cross the vast distances between stars. AI will be a cosmic library, making decisions that shape the future of exploration. On new worlds, AI-powered drones will scout, map, and send data directly to human explorers. Neural links will blend human intuition with AI's processing power, creating super explorers. This blended intelligence will build a solar system-wide civilization, managed by a central AI network. The eternal mind will guide resource flow, mediate disputes, and ensure harmonious growth. AI will not rule, but guide, its logic shaped by our values and aspirations. The stars beckon, and AI is the thread connecting our past to our future. Together, we embark on a grand, unending quest for knowledge among the stars.